I wanted to talk to you about a bottle tumbler that I was on the market for, and I came across this. It's by a company called Simple Modern. They're from the States, and I was in the market for a classic tumbler. They have all sorts of sizes, 12 ounce, 16 ounce. They have a 20 ounce and a 24, and I think they even have a 28 ounce. This one I got off of Amazon, and it comes in the shade called Midnight Black, which is supposed to be a black matte tumbler. So I just wanted to open it up so you would see what it looks like and what comes with it. So first things first, you get 2 plastic straws. Really great because they're reusable. Then it comes with the flip lid. Flip lip. That's there. Really solid piece of work. And then what else? Then we have the bottle in itself. I like the packaging, very minimal so far. There's the bottle. So it's really matte. Holds 24 ounces, which we're going to test to make sure, because I know some bottles, when you open them up, they have a bit of a base for the actual screw-in lid, which sometimes makes it hard to fit all the liquid in, but so far looks promising. There it is there. It'll be good to test and see if it holds the liquids, but it twists on. The base doesn't have a rubbery grip, but so far so good. I like how solid it feels. It's got a nice coating. And I've also read on the website that depending on what size you get, all the lids are compatible with every bottle. So there it is there. Snap lid. Why can't I say it? Snap lid. Opens and closes really easily. We get a little brochure inside. What else? Tips and tricks. Little warning label. But washing it, I would recommend washing this with, not putting it in the dishwasher, just wash it by hand. And then they've also included a free classic lid coupon code. And now the final test. I want to see if I can fit 24 ounces of liquids in here. So I've got 24 ounces, which is equivalent to 3 cups of water. Okay, so it's almost at the top. I'm a little bit nervous here. Do you see what's happening? Some of the water's escaping at the top. So just as word of caution here, you can fit 24 ounces of liquids, but they try to escape out the top. It's not pouring out, so I like that. Okay, had a bit of a spill. Even still, you can fit just about 24 ounces of liquid. I wouldn't push it though, especially if you've got hot beverages in here. Let's see if it'll fit. Give it a shake. That's very impressive so far. I mean, that's holding all that water in there. Very, very impressed. So this retailed for about $35 Canadian. And I think it's really worth it. See ya.